Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. In this mind-blowing DIY tutorial, you will discover the incredible results I achieved with just a fork, yarn and beads. Please watch to the very end as I unleash my creativity and transform ordinary wool into a stunning masterpiece. Get any color wool of your choice and wrap around on the fork for 30 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool. Now wrap wool around 3 times in between the first and second teeth of the fork to make a design, then sew to secure. Then move to the other side of the woolen design on the fork and sew to secure. At this point, pull the woolen design out from the fork and attach a bead. Make the little pieces 6 in number and join them together to make an amazing woolen flower. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Attach a medium-sized bead at the middle of the flower to make it seamless and beautiful. I trust you guys will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will surely see you all soon.